Hey guys, my name is Ndeye and I am super excited to be here today on IPSY's platform to show you how you can get an everyday beautiful look using a full face of black owned brands. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime because that's the base of any look. For primer, I am using the Pat McGrath primer. This is her Sublime Perfection. And I'm just going to take some on my hands and then use my foundation brush from Juvia's Place to just mix it in. Now, if you're anything like me, you are an eyes before foundation girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Prime Beauty Island Girl palette, which looks like this. This palette has some beautiful transition shades, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Rum Cake. I'm gonna sweep that over my already primed lids using a Makeup Addiction Cosmetics brush. Now that we have that beautiful wash of color on our lids, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Fenty Beauty Flyliner eyeliner in the shade Cause I'm Black. Now that we're done with the eyes, you know what takes every look from wow to wow? A good lash. I'm going to be using the C Cosmetics lash in the style Speechless, and trust me, it will leave you speechless. The first step to perfect lashes for me is always applying a good mascara. Today I'm going to go in with the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara just to coat my eyes and give the lashes something to adhere to. I told you guys, wow to wow. So now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to bring you a little closer because we're getting into my favorite part, which is complexion. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation in the shade Molly. Now this foundation is full coverage, so I'm going to go in with the light hand because a little bit goes a long way and you honestly don't need that much. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal underneath my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Uma Beauty Stay Woke Concealers in the shade T1 and T2. Now that the product is on, I'm going to blend until my hands feel numb using the Dark Skin Makeup Daily Beauty Sponge. Do you see how that concealer just disappeared? That's exactly what it should do. Now, once everything is set, I have to actually set it so that it stays locked in. For my under eye, I am going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Under Eye Powder in the shade Nutmeg. Do you guys see? I know you were probably scared when I first put it on, like, what is Ndeye doing? But you see how it is literally just melting into my skin? That's what you need in a setting powder. Alright, so now that we can see the base, I'm going to go ahead and instead of setting my contour with the contour powder, I'm actually going to set it with the bronzer so that you have the dimension, but then you also have a little bit of warmth. And for my bronzer, I'm going in with my favorite, my #1 bronzer shade, the first bronzer that I was able to use as someone of a deeper complexion, and that is the Prime Beauty bronzer in the shade Chocolate Liddy. Now to tie everything together on my face, I'm going to go in with the Danessa Myricks powder, the Evolution powder in the shade 4.5. Once I've tapped into the powder, I'm literally just putting it on my face to blend all of those shades in together. Can anybody comment how many times I've said blend in this video? And we say flawless. Can we say flawless? Guys, I'm loving the way my face is looking. Now I'm gonna go in with my blush because you need a blush for every look. And I'm going to be using the Morena Beauté blush in the shade Cardinal. I'm going to go in to complete my lip look, and I will be using the Beauty Marks & Co. lip gloss in the shade Kalahari. Now we could end the look here, but let's say you want to go in with a little punch, you want to be a little extra, or you want to turn this from a day look to a night look. I'm going to go in with the Lip Bars liquid eyeshadow in the shade Superstar, and I'm not going to put it all over my lid. I am going to put it on my inner corner just to add a bit of a glow. And now I'm gonna top off this entire look with the Glow spray, and this is in the shade Coffee. I'm just gonna shake it up If you love wearing off-the-shoulder tops in the summer or even in the winter, you will love this. I'm also gonna add some to my face. And guys, that is it for the look. I'm gonna let this dry and let you guys see what everything looks like. Alright guys, that is going to be it for the tutorial. I want to say thank you so much to IPSY for allowing me to share some of my favorite black owned brands with you guys. Unfortunately, I was not able to use every single black owned brand that I love because I only have one face, but I hope that you were able to take away at least one product or at least one brand that you want to check out. Make sure you guys follow them, support them, and show them some love. Thank you again and have a wonderful day. Bye guys.